Hi everybody, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S450 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior, and we have a tan interior. This wood grain accent trim here on your steering wheel, as well as across the dash and the doors. You do have heated and ventilated seats on both driver and passenger side, as well as power memory seats for both sides. And you've also got the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Now, hopping inside the vehicle, we've got 36,043 for mileage. Quick look at your steering wheel here. Got a push button ignition. And here is our display loading up. Currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Now below your display you've got climate controls, you've got a cup holder, you've got buttons here to navigate through some of the different functions that I was just going through, navigation, radio, etc. You've got your command module here as well as here for making adjustments on the display. You've also got your different dynamic sport modes, which will affect handling as well as gear ratios for shifting. And we also have our shifter here. Also notice this vehicle does have ambient LED lighting. That's all fully customizable within the display as well. And hopping out, we'll take a look at our rear seats here next. And another quick peek up front. Sunroof stretches from front to the rear seats. You also have heated seats for your passengers in the rear. And coming around to the back, we've got our S450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Now, if you have any questions or like to set up a test drive of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz S450, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.